Gold and silver are back in the spotlight, but this time it's not for the gains. After an epic rally that pushed prices to record highs, both metals have taken a sharp tumble, leaving investors nervous and traders stunned. On the MCX this morning, gold futures were trading significantly lower compared with yesterday, while silver has plunged even harder. On 2nd of February, 24 karat gold rates in India fell by 9,050 rupees per 10 grams to cost at 1,51,530 rupees, while 22 karat gold rates declined by 8,300 rupees to retail at 1,38,900 rupees per 10 grams. The sell-off extends a decline we are seeing globally, and in India it is being driven by a mix of profit booking, a strong US dollar and broader volatility in the commodities markets. What's really grabbing the headlines are the gold and silver ETFs, or exchange traded funds, that let investors bet on bullion without owning the metal physically. Earlier today, many of these funds briefly hit lower circuit limits as prices collapsed, triggering mass selling and forced liquidations. But by midday, we saw a partial recovery of up to about 10% from those lows as markets tried to stabilize after the shock. Even with this bounce, however, most ETFs are still deep in red on the day, reflecting just how fast sentiment shifted. So why this sudden crash after a strong bull run? One major reason is profit booking. That's when prices run up so fast that traders start booking gains all at once. That kind of exit pressure can cascade, especially in leveraged positions. On top of that, the US dollar has strengthened recently, which typically puts downward pressure on dollar-priced commodities like gold and silver. There has also been a hike in margin requirements by futures exchanges, meaning traders need more capital to hold positions, forcing some of them to sell rather than post more funds. Despite today's volatility, most analysts aren't ready to declare the rally dead. Experts point out that the long-term fundamentals for the precious metals remain intact, with ongoing central bank buying, persistent supply deficits in silver, and continued geopolitical uncertainty, providing a solid backdrop over months to years. Analysts at JP Morgan said despite the recent volatility, they expect the rally to remain intact in the longer term. Still, caution is the mood of the moment. While the long-term trend for gold in particular remains very bullish in many forecasts, short-term volatility still could persist as per experts. Silver, which has historically been more volatile than gold, could see wider swings before settling, given its industrial demand links and speculative nature. Analysts suggest that in the near term, the prices might struggle to break out until the global risk sentiment improves and the dollar eases. But for investors with a longer horizon, dips like these may offer accumulation opportunities rather than panic exits. But if you want to buy or sell right now, do consider talking to your financial advisor before making any money-related decisions. And for more such news and views, keep watching ET Now.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.